My first ABC. With animals. A. A is for alligator. B. B is for bear. C. C is for cat. D. D is for dolphin. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for frog. G. G is for giraffe. H. H is for hippo. I is for iguana. J. J is for jellyfish. K. K is for koala. L. L is for lion. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for narwhal. O. O is for octopus. P. P is for panda. Q. Q is for quail. R. R is for rabbit. S. S is for snake. T. T is for tiger. U. U is for unicorn. V. V is for vulture. W. W is for whale. X. X is for X-ray fish. Y. Y is for yak. Z. Z is for zebra.